guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we're going to be making homemade pizza. So as you can see here, we have already started. So to tell you what we did, we took a fork. You can take a fork or a knife and then poke the dough all around, and then we put in our sauce. Well, today we are doing half. So half is chicken and half is smoked ham. So here you can see we have put half of the chicken and half of the ham. So now we're going to be putting the peppers, the green pepper and the red pepper. And then we're also going to be adding some onions. Make it nice. Just do. And then after that, we're going to be putting the basils. As we put about 5 or 4. So yes, and then after we're going to be putting the cheese. Here we are using Gouda cheese.
Yeah, we're going to put it in half. So
we're going to cut it in half.
No, I mean the cheese.
Oh, okay.
Put it.
So now we're cutting the pizza.
This is very nice.
We cut it into little pieces so everyone can enjoy.